guys, so I'm finally back with another recipe. For today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful salted caramel date cake. It's naturally sweetened and covered in the most amazing coconut salted caramel. So I hope you enjoy, and if you're interested in finding out how to make this cake, then just keep on watching. So all of the ingredients are going to be listed in the blog post, which is linked down below, but here we just have our dry ingredients, some almond milk, some mashed banana, coconut oil melted, some soaked dates, coconut sugar, and some walnuts. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Then to a blender, you're going to add the almond milk, dates, coconut oil, coconut sugar, vanilla, mashed banana, and then you're going to want to blend it until it's super smooth and looks like this. Then you're going to want to transfer that to a medium-sized bowl and make sure you use a spatula to really scrape down the edges of the blender and get every last bit of goodness in there. Then you're going to want to whisk together your dry ingredients, which is your all-purpose flour, cinnamon, salt, and baking soda. And you're going to add it to the wet mixture, stirring in a little bit at a time, roughly in 2 to 3 batches. And I know it looks like I'm mixing the batter a ton here, but you basically just want to whisk it together until it's kind of smooth like this. Next, you're going to add in the walnuts and fold together with a spatula before adding into your greased baking pan. I'm using an 8-inch pan, and again, the mixture is going to be quite thick at this point, so you do want to use a spatula to kind of spread it out and make sure that you get an even cake. Now, while that's baking in the oven for around 25 to 30 minutes, we're going to work on our salted caramel sauce. So you're going to add in the coconut milk and coconut sugar, whisk it together, and then add in your vanilla and transfer it to the stove. So on a medium heat, you're going to bring the mixture to a boil and then lower it to simmer. Add in your sea salt and keep stirring constantly, as it can boil over quite easily. It'll take 12 to 15 minutes, but the end product should look something like this. It'll be super smooth and creamy, but quite thickened as well. So once the cake is ready, it'll look something like this, a little bit golden brown, and a knife or a toothpick should come out clean once you put it into the center. And now all that's left to do is top it with your salted caramel sauce, some additional chopped walnuts, and you are good to go. I hope you guys love this recipe, and definitely let me know what kind of videos and recipes you'd like to see in the future. See you on the next one.